Hi, I'm John Pierce. We're condo owners here in McFarland. When we first moved in, we had inefficient incandescent lights throughout our home, and we joined the All Comfort Maintenance Club. And then we got some quotes from them and others about installing high efficiency LED can lights throughout our home. And we love it. We love the way it lights our home, and we like the reduced cost and efficiency of the LED lights. And we like the way it just kind of opens things up, and it makes it feel like we have more space than we did before when we had lights hanging down from the ceiling. So it's been a great experience. We've also used All Comfort to install plumbing fixtures and light fixtures throughout the home. And everybody that we've dealt with, whether they were salespeople or installers or repair people, they've always respected our home and been just wonderful people to work with. We couldn't be happier with the service we've gotten from All Comfort.